Now, in the previous video, you have seen business services, you have seen meaning, definition, you have also seen features of business services. Now, in this further, we are going to see types of business services. Business services are required for the smooth functioning of the business so that this business can grow and they function smoothly. Type of business services include banking, insurance, warehousing, communication, transport. We are going to see each of these one by one. First is banking. Now there are more than 30,000 different banks all over the world, and this hold unbelievable amount of assets. The top 10 banks alone accounts for roughly 25 trillion US dollar. So how it started? Actually, it started in 11th century. Italy was the trading hub, and merchants from all over the continent met to trade their goods. But there was one problem, that too many currencies were there in circulation. In Pisa, the merchant had to deal with 7 different types of coins and had to exchange their money constantly. This exchange, which commonly took place outdoor benches, is where we get the word bank. So the bank word has come from the French word banco, which means actually bench. So money lender used to display coins of different currencies in big heaps or benches or tables for the purpose of lending or exchanging. So from there only this word came. Now the basic function of the bank is that it accepts the deposit from the people. It accepts their saving. And why they are accepting this saving? They are accepting this so that they can lend this money to the needed people. Whoever require that people, they can give them as a loan, and they are not doing this for free. They are earning interest, high rate of interest on lending, and they give low interest on saving. So this is their profit. Now if you see, definition is given by Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. What it is saying, simple word is given: any company which transacts the business of banking in India, any company which is doing banking business, it is called as bank. Simple word is given. Another definition is given is that accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposit of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise. So what it is saying is that basic function of bank is to accept money from the people. They accept this money. Why they are accepting is that so that they can lend this money to the people. Whoever needs loan, they can give them as a credit. Same money they are giving as a credit. And this whatever money is saved by the customer, they are repayable on demand. Whenever if I have account in the bank, if I have saved money, I can take out money whenever I require. So I can take out money from the bank. How I can with the help of check, or with the help of draft I can take my money, or with the help of ATM card I can take out my money from the bank. Now next is, we are going to see types of bank: central bank, commercial bank, cooperative bank, development bank, exchange bank, regional rural bank, saving bank, investment bank, specialized bank. First is central bank. All the countries, they have central bank. Name may be different, but the work is same. Like in India, it is called as RBI. Same way in US, it is called as Federal Bank. So the main function of central bank is to control the money flow in the country. Plus other works include, like, they issue currency notes. The RBI they issue currency note. Also they frame monetary policy. That means they control the money supply in the country. They also act as a bankers to the government. Okay, same way like we deposit our money in the commercial bank. Government account is in RBI, and they function from there. Also RBI act as a bankers bank. As we have our account in the commercial bank, same way all these banks, they also have their account, and that account is with RBI. Like, RBI was actually established in 1945 under the Act of Reserve Bank of India Act 1944. Next is commercial bank. Second, commercial bank, they play important role in the economic and social development of the country. Commercial bank perform some of the important function like primary functions. They have primary function include accepting of deposit and lending of money, means giving loan. These are the primary functions. Secondary function include agency function and utility function, like if you remember, collecting of bills, drafts and checks, payment of insurance premium, rent, loan, installment, etc. on behalf of customer. Working as a representative of customer for purchasing or redeeming securities, acting as an executor, administrator or trustee of the state of customer. I hope you remember this function. I think you have studied in 11th standard in detail. Now, banks also include two types of bank: public sector bank and private sector bank. Public sector banks is held by the government. Majority of capital is held by the government, such as State Bank of India. Private banks, these are banks owned by the individuals. Okay, such as Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. Third category is foreign banks. Foreign banks means these banks are established outside India, but they have branches in India, such as HSBC, Standard Chartered, etc. Next, cooperative bank. Now you have studied this cooperative society in 11th standard. Here, cooperative banks, they are registered under Cooperative Society Act, and normally they are more popular in semi-urban and rural areas. Main function, actually, these banks belongs to its member who are at the same time owner and the customer of their bank. Generally, this bank provide credit to economically backward people, farmers and small scale unit. Cooperative banks work at three different levels: primary credit society, district central cooperative bank and state cooperative bank. Primary credit cooperative society, they work at the village level. They collect deposit from the member and the common people. They also get fund from the state cooperative and district cooperative bank for the purpose of lending. Second is district central cooperative bank. These banks operate at district level and they obtain deposit from the public at the district level, and also they get fund from the state cooperative bank for the purpose of lending. Third is state. This bank operate at state level. They provide fund to central cooperative bank and primary credit society as required. State cooperative bank also perform functions of monitoring over district bank and credit cooperative society. Fourth,